Good morning. It is our last maths meeting of the week, our last maths meeting of this half term, and I still love maths. I hope you still love maths. We're going to start by thinking about what day it is today. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is the last day of the week. It's got to be Friday. And that means, looking at the wheel, that tomorrow is going to be Saturday and the day after Sunday. So we've got the weekend coming up. And then you've got a whole week of no home learning because it's half term week. Let's think about our numeral. I'm hoping that you have just said out loud that this is the numeral 14. And that means you know that the 1 is a 10, a 110, and there's our numicon. And we know that the 4 is 4 ones. Can you remember what colour numicon tile is 4? Because we haven't seen it for a while. Let's have a look. Pale blue. There we have it. 14 numicon style. Now let's think about what that would look if we wrote what the 1 was worth. We'd write a 10. And if we were writing down what those 4 ones were like, we'd say and write that they look like this. So 14 is made up of 10 and 4. And here it is written, the word 14. 4 and teen. It's a bit like 4 and 10. And that's right, isn't it? Because it's 10 and 4. Said round the other way. Can you find it on the number line? If you started at 0 and kept counting, you'd come to it. Is it in the blue area or the red? Yeah, it's in the blue section, and here it is. There's 14. Where would 1 less than 14 be on the number line? And what would it be? What number is 1 less than 14? You're right, I hope. 13. It's the one before 14 on the number line. And which number is 1 more than 14? If you had 14 sweets and someone gave you 1 more sweet, how many would you have? You'd have 15, and 15 is where on the number line? It's the next one after 14. Have a quick look at these towers. There are 2 blue towers and 2 red towers. Have a quick look. Which one do you think is 14? Did you say the blue tower? Yay, well done. The blue side has got 14 cubes. The red side has got more than 14. The taller towers have got 10 in them. The shorter towers have got the 1s. So the blue you can see in the smaller tower has got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I know it's 14 over there. And the red tower on the right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So actually we've got a 14 and a 16. So quite close, but the 14 is the blue. There. Our shape of the day. I can't pick this shape up. It's a 2D shape, a flat shape. And what I can tell you is that it's called, did you beat me to it? It's called an oval. A bit like a squashed circle. And like a circle, it has got 1 continuous curved line. No points or corners or edges or sides, just a curved line that keeps going round and round. Where would we see ovals in the big wide world? Well, I found a picture of one oval that really appealed to me. It's an oval-shaped swimming pool. Oh, wouldn't we all love to be diving into that right now? What else have we got? Oh, pebbles on a beach. If you went to a beach and looked down, you would see thousands of pebbles on the floor that are oval-shaped. if you played, yes, rugby. If you played rugby, you would be playing with this ball. An avocado pear. If you slice it in half and look down on it, it's oval shaped. And quite often earrings are made in the shape of ovals. And there are a pair of very nice earrings there. So upwards and onwards, let's go to, oh, that was quick. Did you see that? I'm going to show you again. Is that how many green spots you saw? Me too. So subitizing today, we were just spotting 2. Now, our 10 frame, up it comes. 10 empty squares. Let's put our purple dots in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Show me with your fingers. Show me that many. Fantastic. We've got a little girl showing us 4 fingers there. So we've got 4 purple dots in the 10 frame, and we're going to write our number sentence, and it's a takeaway number sentence where we subtract the purple dots from the 10 white squares. So we're going to start with the big number, the 10. We're going to use our subtraction sign, and we're going to take away 4 purple dots. And that leaves us with how many white empty squares? 6. 10 subtract 4 equals 6. Now, yesterday I made a mistake and I'm terribly sorry. I put the yellow dot on the 7th square, but I made a mistake, and when the number came up it said the 6th square. Dear oh dear. But if you spotted that and you went, Isabel, you've got that wrong, then well done, because it was wrong. Let's see, I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this is right today. Where do you think the yellow dot is today? I am hoping that behind that yellow dot it says 9, because it's in the 9th square. Yes, thank goodness for that. Okay, so the yellow dot was in the 9th square. And finally, we're at our pattern. Very colourful pattern today. Let's have a look at it. I want you to think, is this pattern about colours or is it about something else? Let's have a look. If you can say what the shape is and the colour, then that would be great. So we've got an orange rectangle, a pink heart, a green hexagon, a 6-sided hexagon, a triangle, turquoise triangle, a red rectangle, an orange heart, yeah, this is still a hexagon. It's a pink hexagon this time, and it's got sort of stretched, but still a shape with 6 sides. A green triangle. I think I'd say that was a turquoise rectangle, would you? It's got 4 sides, 2 parallel sides at top and bottom. They're very small, but the same length. And then 2 long parallel sides going down, which are also the same length. So yeah, definitely a rectangle. An upside down red heart. Oh, and now a very small hexagon that's turquoise. Wonder what's going to come next. Just going to go back and check. I'll do the colours first. orange, pink, green, turquoise, red, orange, pink, green, turquoise. No, I'm not seeing a pattern there. Let me try with the shapes. Rectangle, heart, hexagon, triangle. Rectangle, heart, hexagon, triangle. Rectangle, heart, hexagon. So the next shape, fingers crossed again, should be a triangle. Whew, yes, a pink triangle. So after the triangle, I'm just going to go back again looking. After the triangle comes a rectangle. Is that right? Yes. Triangle, rectangle. I'm just going back up. Triangle, right. It's a hexagon. No, it's not. It's a rectangle. And that means that is our pattern. So we've got an, oh, sorry, I'm going the wrong way. We've got an A, B, C, D, and I think we're back to rectangle again. So what's the next letter going to be? It's going to be A. The heart is B, the hexagon is C, and the triangle is D. So it's an ABCD pattern, a four-way shape pattern. Can't count the colours in this pattern because the colours don't match as patterns, but the shapes do. Great. That is our last maths meeting of the week of the half term. And next week, Elaine is going to be doing maths meetings. I'm going to be making the PowerPoints and Elaine is going to be talking to you about them. So I hope that you have a lovely, lovely half-term week, and I look forward to being with some of you after that and talking to you on Zoom as well. So goodbye for now.